guys, it's Asma and today we will draw strawberry. So let's start. Yay!